Alright, let's see who gets in here. We got our top 20, and then we got everybody else in here who jumped in tonight. We'll do basketball first. Alright, there's our top 20. Already secured the spots. We're going to take the rest of the names. We'll randomize 3 times. Top, what is it? 1 with 20. We got 10. Top 10 here will get in to the basketball. So good luck. We got 1, 2, 3. Let me number these. 4, 5, 6. Why in the heck did I do 6? Sorry guys. Let me redo that. I'm retarded. It's 5 times. Sorry about that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Jason, Tim, Brahman, Michael, Snake Man, Donut, Todd, Kevin, Michael GOO, and Kevin CAR. Let me take the numbers off. Down to Kevin. There we go. Alright, that's who got in for the basketball. Go ahead and randomize for teams. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, there's our teams for basketball. There we go. Let's go ahead, we'll break the basketball first, and then we'll do all the random stuff for the football. For basketball, we're going to do some gold and some Excalibur. Little 14, 15, little 12, 13. We'll do Excalibur first. Pull something nice out of here. Here we go, good luck. Alright, rookies. We got Adams, McDermott, Levine, Clarkston. Couple base. Inserts. We got Aldrich, Russell, Paul, and a nice Papa Nicolau, 8 of 10. Going to Anthony. Then we got a Zach Levine rookie jersey, fresh faces. Go out to Glenn. And we got a red Rubio. It's supposed to be 5 though, dude. Sorry, man. Here we go. Looking for rookies. No rookies in this one. We got Drexler, Leonard, Reed. We got Fareed, Crusades, and a Gobert auto. Going to Charlie H. Aldridge. Maybe you'll get in on the football one, man. We got Bird, Juggernauts, Blake, Duncan. We got KG Crusades. And Jabari. Nice. Couple nice hits so far. Gotta go to Snake Man. Then we got Whiteside. Seen any new Whitesides in a while. The last stuff he had was in 10. Alright, we got rookies. Payne, Early, Parker. Grant, Randall, Ennis, Robinson, Smart. And we got a KJ McDaniels rookie auto for the Rockets. On to Anthony. We got Dr. J. And die cut McDermott. For 60. And a red Valanciunas. it. Second box, gold standard, 12-13. Lakers pack for John Sully. 5 colors. We got Chandler, metal. Going to Kevin, C-A-R-N. Alright, good luck, guys. We got Koozie, 349. Lynn. Got Thornton. Got Chamberlain, 199. Jeff Green. JR. And we got a Aminu to 99 for Michael G.O.O. And a very nice Draymond. Nice hit for Michael C.O.S. Draymond rookie auto. We got a Middleton for Ray Carlo. Got a Moultrie for Russo. And how about a Kyrie Irving? The 49, Jason C.H.A.M. Nice pull. Hit the Kyrie. In the free 2-boxer. Very nice. There you go, Jason. Congrats, man. Free Kyrie. Free Kyrie. That'll do it for the basketball free 2-box break there. Very nice Draymond too.